Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Dart key fob. While many Dodge vehicles can be programmed at home, some Dodge Dart models specifically require specialized equipment. We will cover a general method that often works for Dodge key fobs, but always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions for your vehicle. Before you begin, gather all the key fobs you intend to program, including any existing working ones. It is crucial that your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once you have everything ready, enter your vehicle and make sure all doors are completely closed. Now, let's get to the programming. Insert your currently working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, press and hold the unlock button on this working key fob for approximately 4 seconds, until the hazard lights flash twice. Immediately after, within 10 seconds, press and hold the unlock button on your new key fob until the hazard lights flash twice again. After the hazard lights flash, turn the ignition off and remove the key. Now, step out of your vehicle and test all the buttons on your newly programmed key fob to ensure everything works correctly. If the fob doesn't respond, your Dodge Dart might require professional diagnostic equipment for programming. For those looking to simplify their week, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.